So this is how you can turn off Siri suggestions on the iPhone search. So if you're new here on this channel on Foxtecc, definitely subscribe for more tips and videos like this. In order to change it, we have to go to the settings, of course, and there are actually two menus which can control it. So we have at first the search, which we can get into, and at the top we have the search and lookup. So for example, show related content or show recent searches, which are kind of like the suggestions in here, and you can turn it off if you don't want to have that anymore. But below, we have the Siri section below the search, which might as well be called Apple Intelligence and Siri, depends on your phone. But you can get inside of this section. And below, we have a whole section of suggestions. And this is the important part. So you can turn off the suggesting apps before searching, or notifications within the suggestions, or showing those in an app library, or when sharing, or showing listening suggestions. Personally, I have it all turned off because I don't like that, to be honest. Like, for example, the one when sharing, whenever I clicked on share on a photo or something, I always saw some people from my contacts there. So I didn't like it, and I actually turned it off right here. So that is the place for you to decide how exactly you want to have it on your phone. But that is all from me. I really hope I was able to help you out and assist you with this particular thing. Thanks a lot for watching, and hopefully I will see you in the next videos too.